It is fantastic news. It has been a journey. Our job is to develop, to promote and protect. And if you think about promoting and protecting, there's no better way than having some of the world's best footballers compete in what is now, in my mind, probably the single biggest match that is played in football. Yes, of course, you have the World Cup. Yes, you have the European Championships. UEFA consider the Champions League final on a par with the European Championships. It is a massive, massive match.
It's great in terms of projecting Wales to the world. Cardiff's the host city. Wales and its 3 million people is the host nation, and we look forward to welcoming people not just to Cardiff but around Wales. 20 years ago, hosting an event of this magnitude would have been thought unbelievable. We have a magnificent stadium. We've worked closely with all the bodies represented up here to get to a point where we can host what is undoubtedly the biggest annual football match in the world and one of the biggest matches you could possibly get. And of course, we mustn't forget, of course, the women's final as well. And we look forward to welcoming everybody to Cardiff and to Wales in 2017.